We made the Reseller Dashboard as easy to use as possible, even if you've never used Notion before. In this video, we'll walk through some of the basics, and by the end, you'll know enough about Notion to use the dashboard effectively. It's important to understand first that everything in the dashboard can be edited or deleted. That does unfortunately mean that you can break things, so exercise some caution as you get started. Some users create two copies of the dashboard, one that they can use on a daily basis and that has all of their data, and the other one just to experiment with. On the main dashboard page, you'll find that almost everything is clickable. Even headings with arrows like this lead to other views of your data. A lot of your work will be with tables, so let's start there. I'll start with the inventory database. When you click Table Headings, you'll see lots of options. You can change the title from here, change the type of data that's stored here, and even change values. The category column here is a drop-down, so if you want to change the options available for your business, you can just go into the Edit Property menu and add, edit, or change the options. Feel free to move the columns around, add new columns, or even delete columns if you don't use them. The plus icon on the right side lets you add more columns. The icons in the upper right of tables show you filters, sorting options, and other controls. It's fine to change how things are organized to make things work for you. Here at the top are what we call views, which are basically different ways of looking at the data. For inventory, we set up different views to show you sold items at a glance, as well as unsold items. The different views here also use tables, but they have filters set up so you can easily see these records without having to change your filters. I'll go back to the dashboard now and into the to-do list. You'll see that different rows are shown in different colors. To do that, we're using conditional colors, which you can find by clicking this settings icon for the table and then going to conditional color. Here are the rules that I set, so basically anything due today is in green and anything overdue shows up in red. Back in the view settings, you'll see other available options for the table. That's enough to get you started. There's a lot of flexibility, so take your time and experiment to see what works best for your business.